Ever wish you could silence the visual noise on your iPhone? Or maybe you're just curious about a cool, minimalist look? We're turning your iPhone screen grayscale in a few simple steps, providing a potentially less distracting and battery-saving experience. First, find and tap the Settings app icon on your home screen. Scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap on it. Now you're in the Accessibility settings, where you can customize how you interact with your iPhone. In the Accessibility menu, tap on Display and Text Size. This section controls how text and colors are showed on your screen. In the Display and Text Size menu, you will see a few options. Now, locate and tap on Color Filters. Now, at the top, toggle the color filters switch to the on position. This instantly changes the screen's colors. Several color filter options appear. Tap on Grayscale at the bottom. This will change the display into black and white. And that's it. Your iPhone is now showing everything in grayscale, giving it a minimal and unique look, while also potentially saving battery and reducing visual distractions. You can always go back and turn off color filters to revert to normal anytime.